Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your YouTube recap 2025. A lot of you have been asking about it, so let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open your web browser on your device. Simply search for youtube.com. Simply search for youtube.com/recap. Now tap on Open YouTube from the bottom of the screen, and there it is, your 2025 recap. Just tap on it and you can watch it, screenshot it, and share it. You can also tap on share in the bottom of the screen and share it among your friends, family, or whoever you want to. If you tap on this download button over here, this will be downloaded on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.